Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, plus some additional resources, are waiting for you in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the Happier app. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into the Happier app, a tool designed for mental health and overall well-being. Happier focuses on boosting positivity, mindfulness, and resilience through a variety of practical tools. If you're aiming to cultivate a more positive outlook and reduce stress, this app might be worth exploring. A key feature of Happier is its happiness journal. This journal encourages users to document moments of gratitude each day, shifting their focus towards the positive aspects of their lives. This regular practice cultivates a habit of gratitude, a practice shown to significantly improve mental well-being. Beyond the journal, Happier provides guided meditation sessions, mindfulness exercises, and breathing techniques specifically designed to manage anxiety, reduce stress, and enhance emotional regulation. The app also offers a range of courses and challenges centered around emotional health. These learning opportunities cover topics such as building self-compassion, practicing mindfulness, and developing emotional resilience. Happier has designed each course to be concise, manageable, and actionable, making it easy for users to incorporate these positive practices into their daily routines. Happier also understands the importance of connection. The app includes a community feature where users can interact with others who share similar goals and journeys. This social aspect creates a sense of belonging and promotes positive interactions, which can be especially valuable for individuals feeling isolated or needing support during challenging times. In conclusion, Happier is an excellent resource for anyone seeking to improve their mental well-being, reduce negative thoughts, and cultivate a more resilient mindset. Whether you're managing stress and anxiety or simply aiming for a more positive perspective, Happier offers accessible, practical, and effective tools to support your mental health journey. For more information, check out the links in the description below, and start your journey towards a happier, more balanced life today.